Hi, my name is Gerhard Schwander, and here we are with John Dessel. He's the CEO of ITIQ Solutions.
Hello, and thank you for having me, Gerhard.
John, can you tell us a little bit about your background?
I came from a large Fortune 500 business, Lucent Technologies, and decided that I was going to start a business that would offer full turnkey information technology solutions to small, mid-sized businesses. I know that large businesses, of course, have all the tools and the money for these great information technology products that helps them. Well, what about those small, mid-sized businesses? Well, I wanted to bring the large technologies down at a much smaller economical scale for mid-sized businesses.
Can you walk me through a deal that you can close with your tablet PC?
Absolutely. Essentially what I've created is a software-based solution that can work on any kind of notebook or laptop computer, but I like to work with a tablet-based computer just because it's small, easy to carry, put into a briefcase with no problems.
It's very lightweight.
It's only 3.5 pounds. And by having something like that, I can walk into a business, looks very professional, and it just gives the right appearance that you're a salesperson and has everything right in one package.
So you take a tablet PC to your client's office. What's in it? What can you program into it that makes the sales job easier?
Essentially, it's got your basic Microsoft-based tools, such as PowerPoint, so you could walk into a business, show a presentation of your company. You automatically are creating this rapport that, boy, you've got a nice technology here. You're able to present your business well. And then it's got the full ability to do contract management too. So you can do quotes, return on investment type calculations on the fly, as well as capture live signatures right there on the spot when you've got your customers all happy and excited.
So you have an end-to-end solution.
It's a complete end-to-end solution.
And you help companies custom program this so they can put videos in there, can at a touch, you can touch a customer testimonial.
Absolutely. Everything that you need, even your literature's here. And we've incorporated demand printing into this solution, so you can even print from here and have it delivered to your customer in full color print. So almost anything that our road warriors, as I like to call it, the salespeople that are out in the field, they need is all in one package.
Walk me through the sales process. How do salespeople quickly navigate through this and don't have the screen as a screen between two people, but as a working tablet?
Well, the way it works out is, since this is so small, I actually, even when I go out in the field, I carry a very slim projector with me. Since I'm not carrying all those heavy literature and contracts in my briefcase, now I'm completely paperless. I'm electronic. So I'll actually take this out at a customer site along with a small projector, and I'll do my presentation for them. And then I turn it back around to the customer and ask them to tell me about their business. And I'll actually have them walk through the key points that I need, because of course on the system I'm taking notes, all electronic, and as I'm taking those notes I'm actually gathering important information needed to come up with a return on investment that is going to help me close that deal.
So what kind of companies use your technology right now?
We've probably had the best strides in the financial industry. Because in the financial industry, of course, they're dealing with a lot of paper documents, and it's very difficult to get away from that. So what we've done is create a system that can be managed even from their office, and it gives complete standardization. So they actually have the ability at their headquarters to put out the right documents that those salespeople need to see. Biggest problem in the industry, as you know, is that they use the wrong version of a contract, or maybe it's for the wrong territory. That'll never happen with this technology, because their headquarters will actually specify which areas they're going to pull those contracts from. So when a salesperson is meeting with a customer and they need to sign a document, they can actually access that contract knowing that it's the right one that they need to have and it's the right version, because they can never pull the old one. Then they have that in front of them and they can process it right there on the fly.
So they can input all the data and then hand the tablet to the customer and say, sign here.
Yep, they turn it, say sign here, and then as soon as they hit accept, their signature is encrypted, so there's never an issue with the court looking at enforceability of that contract. Again, it gets processed at headquarters, and this is such a real-time device because we actually have incorporated a broadband card into it. so that they can be connected real time at any time. So at their headquarters, we even have instant messaging built into this. So they can see the contract and go, okay, you forgot to have him initial page 3. It'll come up on the screen, and then they can go, okay, let me turn this back around to the customer, have you initial page 3 because I forgot to have you do that. So essentially what we're doing is cutting back on them ever having to go back for a second or a third time to a customer. We want to close them on the spot and get everything we need right then and there.
Well, join us tomorrow. We are going to continue our conversation with John Dessel, and he will explain to us what companies can best benefit from this new technology.